What's going on, everybody? I'm thinking for the next project, I've got an old 2x6 here, and it's laying in the scrap bin, and of course, I don't like wasting material, whatever it may be. So, I've got it marked here, 2 foot long. I will use my blue tape and super glue method, and I'll bond this down up against my straight edge, remove the straight edge, and I'm going to carve a gator. Went over on Etsy, got a file, use Carve Co-Maker, get it all ready to go. I'll show you the whole process, and let me get this cut down on my saw here, and we'll get going. Got a slight curve in it, but this will be the top, so we're gonna burn all that off. And this is the side here we'll be using right here. So right now is when I wish I had some wider tape, but I don't think I have any. But this will work. Well, I'm going to wind up losing all my glue and have to redo this. It's probably going to run out and I'm not going to be able to get enough on here. And I'll have to go in the house, find another one. Well, I'll try it. Don't think I got enough super glue on there. And I can't use clamps to hold it down since I'm going to be milling the whole thing. And I don't have any, I guess, what do you call them, finger clamps? They come in from the side and press it. And that ain't going to work anyway because I have to, like I say, I'm milling it all the way down. Well, we'll see in a minute. All right, we're in Carve Co-Maker. We go new model. And it's going to be 24 inches long, 5.5 across. We're going to be engraving in the bottom left corner, and we're going to be in inches. Resolution, keep it cranked all the way up. And then we're going to import our STL that we got off of Etsy of the gator. Go up here to relief, import 3D model. Where's it at? Gator video, Croc STL. There we go. Hold down the left button and move that screen out of the way. Okay, obviously it's way too big right now, so we need to shrink that down quite a bit. We do an over top view. And the length will be 24 inches. Leave it in inches. Go 24. Apply. Now our work bed is right here. STL's over there, so click center. Put it on top of it. Then you can scroll your mouse in and kind of get it where you want it. Okay, we're turned the wrong orientation. We've got to size it down a little bit. Let me think about this for a minute. Okay, I think it's in my Z. I gotta go turn it 90 degrees. And hit apply. Okay, that turned it. Hit center. Okay, just back 24 inches. Let's see. Unlink the Z. And how tall is that? 1.5 inches. So, thinking 1.49. The height. Now you drop it, hit center. Okay, it's 2 foot long. What did I say, 5.5 wide? And that's looking pretty good. When you get it where you want it, simply come down here and paste it. Now once you paste it, it's done. It's going to stay. So if you're happy with how you got it and how it looks, you see how it's going to look once it's machined. I'm starting in the bottom left corner, hit paste. And then we can close this window out. Okay, now we need to set up our tool paths. Double click on tool path. It'll be a 3D relief. And it's going to be the whole relief. We got finishing options, rough and pass. Let's go to rough and pass first. Drag this all the way to the bottom. And like 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. Let's see, where's it at? 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. Select. Open this up a little further. And go to my finishing options. And this will be my 1/16 inch tapered ball nose right there. Hit select. That's going to be tool number 2. The other one is tool number 1, so we're going to change that to tool number 2. Okay. That's going to be pretty high in there. We're just going to leave it. Let's see, rough and pass. Tool number 1. Just leave everything stock the way it is. It's going to ramp in. Define my material. It's like 1.5 inches. That's pretty close. We'll just leave it for thickness. And let's hit calculate. Let's see how it comes out. And there it is. I wonder if I should call that gator Fred. Now, some of you watching might understand what I mean by that when I say Fred. But, yeah, he's a crocodile or an alligator. Not really sure, but to me it's a gator. Let's see, right here, it's supposed to show you about how long it's going to take. I never found these to be very accurate for what I'm doing. But you can scroll through here and see toolpath summary information. So now we need to save everything. So, 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. Let me click on the second one here, and we're going to put that over here. Here's where we're going to be saving at, one at a time. Everything here on the right. And that's my 1/4 inch downtown. We simply come down here. You give it whatever name you want to give it. You hit the save button. It'll save it to your hard drive or where you tell it to save it. Once you save the first file, you come back up here, you click that and put it over there. Take your second file, the 1/16 inch Skinny Jenny, Put that over here, and now you give that a unique name when you hit save. Then it will save that one. I've already done this, so I don't need to resave them. And then we can take the USB stick. I'll take it out to my computer in the shop, and we'll get going. And that's pretty much how you do it. So hopefully this kind of helps somebody out. But like I say, I'm using Carve Maker. It's a monthly subscription. I pay $15 a month for this program, and it seems to work great. And I just watch videos on YouTube to learn how to use it. So here we go. Okay, I've got the program loaded for the gator. First file, 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. We're ready to go. I'm going to set my camera up. It'll do the hyperlapse. And yeah, I didn't have enough super glue. I kind of ran out, but it was too late. It's either rip off all the tape and redo it, but I think it'll hold pretty good. So we're going to see how it goes. So let's get going. Right, they just got done. That was a total of 3 hours and 5 minutes. And let's see where we're at. Let's see how we can go from a 2x6. It looks something like this. Actually, this is the other half of it. And then we roughed everything out with my 1/4 inch bit. Right there. Downtown Jenny, 1/4 inch from Cadence Manufacturing. So, after 3 hours and 5 minutes, that's what we got. Now, it didn't suck everything up. Got a little debris there, but I've done a pretty good job. So now I just have to switch it out with my 16th inch tapered ball nose, 1/4 inch shank. And my X and my Z, I'm already there. My X and my Y, I'm already there. As far as for the Z, I'll just come right down in the corner of my other material. And that will be my Z, what it was before we even started, so it'll be good to go. And it can continue and get that gator done. But yeah, it's looking pretty good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no. And the job was almost done. I was really close to getting it done. Yeah, that's crazy. 80% done. So I probably had another hour maybe. Yeah, I didn't have enough super glue. Out of the blue, it just let loose. This whole front just kicked over. I'm like, damn. That is crazy. But that was like 3 hours today, wasted, and then all my time yesterday. But it's my fault. You know, I should have stopped. I should have pulled my tape up. I didn't have enough super glue. And I'm like, I already had some of it down, as you've seen in the video. And I'm like, oh no. So, yeah. But, Crocodile, sorry, buddy. Almost had you done. We're going to keep that, though. But yeah, that was a lot of work. You know, we started out. Where's that other piece at? Yeah, we started out the slab like this. We got it worked way down to nothing. That's really sad. But yeah, cool file off of Etsy. Darn it. Damn it. Yeah, got the ripples in it from the water. Turn it sideways there, you can see it. Yeah, live and learn, you know. I didn't think I had enough super glue on that, and I didn't know where my other bottle was. It was in the house. And since I'd already applied some of it on here, I'd had to rip up all the blue tape on both sides and reapplied it. But yeah, live and learn. But anyway, hope you liked the video. I was going to go into it with a lot more detail, but you know, things happen. Live and learn. Please like, subscribe, and share, everybody. Till next time, have an awesome day. Later.